Hello and welcome to HanCryptoGuide. Today I'm going to be showing you a really unique way on how to buy BNB from your Coinbase account. Now, you can't officially buy BNB from Coinbase directly, but there are ways around, and here I am. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you on the desktop web browser as well as the Coinbase application, so on the phone app. So I'll show you both ends. So let's dive right into it and get started. First, you want to go and sign on your Coinbase account and then select buy and sell on the top right hand corner. Once opened, you're going to want to select buy Stellar Lumen or XLM. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and put $20, preview buy. Go ahead and select buy now. Alrighty, so once you have this selected, there is another way. If let's say you already own a certain cryptocurrency, you can also convert it to XLM. And the reason why we are using XLM is because the fees are a whole lot cheaper than other currencies. The next step, you're going to want to go on to CoinbasePro. Now, at this point, and it seems like a lot of folks don't really know that you have access to the CoinbasePro. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to get there. First, you're going to want to go to pro.coinbase.com. The same credentials that you use on signing on your Coinbase account is the same information that you'll be using on the Coinbase Pro application. So once you're here at this website, you're going to want to go to portfolios. You're going to want to do deposits. Select XLM. And here you're going to want to do a deposit or a transfer funds instantly from your Coinbase.com account to Coinbase Pro. In this case, we are doing the full amount. XLM. Go ahead and select max and select deposit. This transaction has been completed. So all I'm going to do now is select total amount that I have. I'm going to copy that. The next step, this is the fun part. This is the part that I really enjoyed the most. You're going to want to go to ChangeNow.io. Go ahead and pull down the menu. You're going to want to type in XLM. And here, you're going to want to replace the total amount of XLM and you want to convert it to BNB. Now, let's say if you were to type in BNB, be sure you select the BSC. This is BEP2. You want to stick with the BEP20. Go ahead and select exchange. Okay, my Trezor is connected. I'm going to go ahead and send this to my Trezor account. It says it's going to be an estimated arrival of 10 minutes. Now, I've never experienced the full 10 minutes. Usually it's real quick, approximately about 2 minutes. Go ahead and hit confirm. All right. So once you're at this page, you're going to want to go ahead and select copy. Copy the address and head on back to your Coinbase Pro. You're going to hit withdraw. Select XLM, crypto address. Here, you're going to want to paste the address that you received from ChangeNow.io. Use this address and go back to ChangeNow. You're going to want to select this memo, copy, paste, and we're going to want to maximize it. Select withdraw. Now on the phone application, I do have the authenticator for extra security in this case. I wonder if that went through. Right, that did. And now we'll head on back to ChangeNow.io, and here we just wait until it's been processed. And there you go. Now you have successfully purchased BNB using Coinbase. So let's go ahead and jump on the mobile application. First, we're going to want to start off Coinbase. Go ahead and select buy. Select XLM, also known as Stellar Lumens. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and do a $20 transaction. Preview buy. Buy now. Go ahead and select done. Now we're going to want to jump into our Coinbase Pro. Select deposit. Type in XLM. Select XLM. Transfer funds instantly from Coinbase.com. Go ahead and type in the full amount. Deposit XLM. Select done. Now go to ChangeNow.io. Again, you're going to want to type in XLM. And the process is basically the same. BNB. Let me just double check that. Change. Paste your address. Confirm. Now we're going to want to do the same thing that we did on the desktop. Go ahead and copy address. Head on back to Coinbase Pro. Select withdraw. Crypto address. Enter address. Select memo. Paste the memo. Select confirm. Select the amount that you wish to transfer. As you can see here, network fee is 0 XLM, which is part of the reason why I really like this. Verification code needed on back. Authenticator. Select done. And now we wait. Now it shows on the MetaMask that my BNB has been transferred. And there we go. It has been successful on the application or the website of ChangeNow.io. And that's it, guys. That is the most efficient and cost-effective way of purchasing BNB through Coinbase. And as always, guys, love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.